One of my biggest frustration with our whiteboards is that the cheap erasers would either smear the ink or I would lose the eraser and I couldn't find them. This one works so great, and I absolutely love that it has the 3 magnets for a strong magnetic grip. Plastic on the top, and it kind of feels like a Velcro. It's about the size of my palm and it's pretty easy to hold onto. 5 high, 2.5 wide, and 1 inch thick. It does a great job. The magnet works really well. There's actually 3 of them inside. I've had no issues with it slipping, and I can keep the other one. It comes in a pack of 2 in this metal holder as well. The plastic case makes it feel much more durable to me, and this washable, dryable, reusable ABS is really a unique product and unique feel, but it works so well. You can literally just run it under a faucet and let it air dry, and it's good for up to 6,000 uses, so it's got some length and durability. I guess overall, I really like it has the strong grip. I like it has a washable design. It's very comfortable to hold on to. It's great for our large whiteboard. It's pretty affordable to me. It's durable. And probably most importantly, I don't misplace it because it's always attached to the whiteboard. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I can make more videos like this.